With the emphasis on ensuring the quality of software for mission-critical systems, you might think that significant effort would be required on testing. And you'd be right. What we've seen in successful, high-quality embedded software is that teams have one tester for every designer. But that doesn't mean simply testing the code into submission. Rather, good software comes from a balance of design and testing effort. To understand how this works, let's take a look at the V development model, which is commonly used for mission-critical embedded software. Here, we see the version of the V referenced in the IEC 6730 Appliance Safety Standard. Development activities go down the left side of the V, from requirements through design to code. Testing goes up the right side of the V. In general, designers tend to do the left side of the V, and testers tend to do the right side of the V. Testing thoroughly requires a significant amount of testing. However, attempting to improve mission-critical software quality by simply adding more and more testers runs out of steam very quickly. What you want to do is maintain a balance between testers and developers. Too few testers and you have a problem. Too many testers and it's probably more expensive than getting the same or better quality by adding more developers and having them do better quality practices. Developers use a methodical engineering approach to avoid inserting defects into the code in the first place. Testers act as a check and balance to ensure the code starts out with high quality and to filter out the remaining few bugs that might crop up so that the product that ships is essentially critical bug-free. Something we often see is that testers are held responsible for quality. But that's nonsense. Testers aren't writing the code. Designers put the quality in, and testers make sure the quality is there. It has to be a team effort.